Calamaro OS, Gentoo power made accessible for everyday users. If you have ever been curious about Gentoo Linux but hesitated because of its reputation for a complex, time-consuming installation process, Calamaro OS might be exactly what you've been looking for. Calamaro OS is a desktop-focused Linux distribution based on Gentoo, developed independently in Livorno, Italy. Its core mission is straightforward: deliver the power, flexibility, and performance of Gentoo to average users by removing the traditional barriers of a from scratch stage 3 install. Now, what makes it different? Instead of the classic Gentoo manual installation, which involves compiling packages, carefully configuring use flags, and managing the system step by step, Calamaro OS provides a ready-to-use experience right after installation. It starts from an official Gentoo Stage 3 base, combined with a modern desktop or systemd profile, with OpenRC variants also available. The key tool that makes this possible is the Calamares graphical installer. This distribution agnostic installer guides user through language selection, partitioning, file system choice, and user setup in a clean, step-by-step interface. Supported file systems include ext4, Btrfs, Xfce, and F2Fs, and disk encryption is available during installation. A permanent 1 GB boot partition is configured by default, and an OS prober fix helps with dual boot scenarios. Once installed, the system is essentially a pure Gentoo environment. Official Gentoo binary packages are used where available for speed. When a binary package isn't offered, the system can compile from source on your hardware. The Portage package manager remains fully available, so advanced users can still customize everything exactly as they would on a traditional Gentoo system. Flatpak support comes enabled out of the box, and the Guru community repository is activated by default, expanding the range of available software. Now, let's move on to desktop environments and init systems. Now, let's move on to desktop environments and init systems. Calamaro OS currently offers 7 desktop environments under the systemd init system. First, the KDE Plasma, which is feature-rich, highly customizable, with Discover for package management and good CJK font support. Second is the GNOME, clean, modern, VLAN-focused experience. Third is the Cinnamon, familiar and approachable, especially for users coming from Windows. Fourth is the Matte Desktop, classic GNOME 2 style desktop that is light and stable. Fifth is the Xfce, balanced combination of lightness and functionality. Sixth is the LXQt, lightweight Qt based environment with a modern look. The final is the LXDE, its ultra lightweight option, ideal for older hardware or virtual machines. OpenRC editions are also expanding. As of mid 2026, OpenRC versions are available for KDE Plasma, Xfce, Matte, LXQt, and LXDE, with Cinnamon and GNOME still in progress. Systemd editions emphasizes modern service management, parallel startup, and integrated journaling. OpenRC editions appeal to users who prefer a lighter, more traditional, shell script based init system with lower resource overhead. All editions are 64-bit only and are regularly realigned with the latest Gentoo updates. The July 2026 refresh is a recent example. So now, who it's for? Calamaro OS targets users who want Gentoo strengths, source-based flexibility, performance tuning potential, and a rolling release model without the steep initial learning curve. Reviewers have noted that it feels as straightforward to install as more mainstream distributions such as Debian or OpenSUSE, yet remains a true Gentoo system underneath. After installation, you can explore Portage, fine-tune the system, or simply use it as a polished daily driver. The project is independent and maintained in spare time. Default credentials for live sessions and post-install, which is sudo or root, use the password CalamaroOS. ISOs are distributed via SourceForge, and an NVIDIA setup guide is provided for users who need proprietary drivers. Looking ahead, the roadmap continues to focus on completing OpenRC support across all desktop environments and keeping the ISOs synchronized with upstream Gentoo. The philosophy remains consistent. The speed of a binary distro, the soul of a Gentoo. In short, Calamaro OS lowers the entry barrier to one of Linux's most powerful and customizable distributions while preserving what makes Gentoo special. Whether you choose a full-featured Plasma desktop or a minimal LXDE setup, and whether you prefer systemd or OpenRC, the result is ready-to-use Gentoo system that you can then shape however you like. If you have been curious about Gentoo but put off by the installation process, this distribution is worth a closer look. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Peace out.